In this video, I'm gonna share with you some cleaning tips that you need to know for your home. Stay tuned. I know there's a lot of ways to remove sticky labels from glasses, plastic bowls, whatever you can think of. There's so many different ways out there that you can do it. But one of the most effective way that I've found is using the lemon essential oil. You just drip it on it, leave it for a couple minutes, and then you rub it off. Rub it off and then you wash it with warm soapy water. Voila, your stickiness is gone. I guess it's the acidity in the lemon, the lemon essential oil that does it, along with the fact that it is oil. So the acidity and the fact that it's oil, I think those are what actually break it down and make it work so well. Another essential oil trick, what you can do is drip a couple drops of your favorite essential oil. It doesn't matter which one, whichever one you like the best. Drop a couple drops of the essential oil on the cardboard part of your toilet paper in your bathroom. Every time you use your toilet paper, every time you spin it, you're gonna smell it, and it's just gonna leave this nice natural smell in your bathroom. It's like an air freshener every time you use your toilet paper. Take off the top of your toilet tank, throw some Downy in there, or I mean there are other liquid too that you can use, liquids of your choice that is safe for your toilet tank, right? Something that is not harsh, it's not chemical. So every time you flush, it's gonna leave your bowl smelling fresh. It's gonna, most of the time the Downies are blue, so you're gonna see this blue liquid coming out, and it's just an extra touch, you know what I mean? So not only does it smell good, but it looks good, you know? Yeah. So if you have never tried this, this is one that you need to try. Whenever you use your dryer sheets in your dryer and you take it out, do not throw it away. Use that dryer sheet to clean your baseboards. This, I don't know what about the dryer sheet, it's just so effective, but it picks up all the dust from your baseboard, and it takes up to about a week, maybe a week and a half before you see it start picking up dust again, your baseboard. So there's something about the dryer sheet. I don't really know the science behind it, but I know if you use it to clean your baseboard, you pick up all the dust super easy, super fast, and your baseboard won't accumulate dust for another week or so. Try that one. If you want your vacuum to be working at its best potential, please remember to clean out your vacuum. Take out the filter, rinse it off, pop it back in. Use a pencil or a pen to take out the dirt and the lint that trapped in the vacuum. And the roller on the bottom of your vacuum, there's always stuff trapped in it, like lint, hair, everything, pet hair trapped in it. So you use your scissors and you cut it off. That's gonna let your vacuum work so much better. Not only does it help your vacuum to work so much better, but it lets your vacuum last longer, the life of your vacuum. And you can do this every couple of weeks to a month, the most a month. And as I say, don't forget the filter. Take out the filter, rinse it off, put it to dry, air dry preferably, and then you put it back in. That's gonna help your vacuum to do its best job and last longer, as I said before. That's it. That's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful. Leave me a comment below and let me know which one was your favorite, which one you're definitely gonna try from this video. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you are liking this style of video, please also let me know in the comments. And if you have suggestions, I'm open to suggestions, so please also let me know in the comments. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.